Ever pondered how the day's inception can set the tone for the next 24 hours? Think of a morning routine as a tune-up session, like a musician tuning an instrument before a performance. This session holds the power to orchestrate the entire day's symphony. Imagine waking up to the chirping of birds rather than the blaring of an alarm. The first light of dawn gently nudges the eyes open, and the world outside the window beckons. In those first few moments of consciousness, the mind is a clean slate, a blank canvas waiting to be painted with the colors of the day. Begin by stretching out, feeling every muscle awaken and the sleep gradually wash away. The body, now awake, is ready to step into the day. Next, a glass of warm water, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon, helps kickstart the metabolism and flush out toxins. Now the body is awake and the mind follows. Reach for a journal and a pen, not a phone. The first thoughts and feelings of the day, raw and unfiltered, find their way onto the paper. This is the mind's warm-up, a jog for the brain before it sprints through the day. Then, affirmations come into play. Write them down, say them out loud, feel them. Today is going to be a great day. I am capable. I am resilient. These affirmations serve as a self-promise, a pact made with oneself to face the day with positivity and strength. Now, the body is awake, the mind is awake, and the spirit has been kindled. It's time to nourish with a healthy breakfast, a meal that's full of nutrients, not just calories, something that fuels the body and keeps the energy levels up. Finally, step outside. Feel the fresh air. Breathe in the morning's tranquility. Whether it's a quick walk around the block or a moment in the backyard, connect with nature. This connection grounds and calms, preparing for whatever the day might bring. This is a morning routine that sets the stage for a harmonious day. It's simple, it's peaceful, and it's powerful. The beauty lies not in the grandeur, but in the subtlety. Consider embracing this routine tomorrow. Allow the morning to gently guide into the day instead of being thrust into it. Set the tone, tune the instrument, and let the symphony of the day play out beautifully. So, wake up, stretch out, hydrate, journal, affirm, nourish, and connect. The day awaits.